How are you doing, guys? Welcome to day 8 of this 30-day building a personal branded blog challenge. Today we are going to finally integrate a blog to our website that we have developed. I hope you are following regularly with my updates on Facebook Messenger. I don't want you to lose the flow. Please go back and do the stuff which have shown you already in the previous days of this challenge. So let's get into my computer and we're gonna build a blog. We're gonna integrate a blog into our website. I'm very excited. Let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, here we are now on my computer, in my computer laptop. So today objective is to add a blog onto our website. So it's very easy on Builderall. It's already pre-built on the feature that you subscribed. So let's go here. This is where the blog is, the newspaper article kind of stuff that you see here. The logo is a blog that we're gonna, if you click on that, it's gonna ask a blog manager. If you are doing it for the first time, it will ask you to activate a blog or install a blog or some kind of stuff, but I already did this, so it's asking me to manage the blog. So let's go and check the I'll try to remove the blog and I'll do it again from scratch. I'll remove the blog. Please say hello. Okay, let me save this. Save. Remove the blog. Just confirm, please. Remove it. Alright, it has just removed the blog. So let's go and click it on this blog icon again. So it's going to ask me to add a blog. So let's add a blog on the blank page. I want it to be blank page. Let's save it. So here we are on the blog page. Don't get confused. A blog page is a completely different kind of feature that's available on the Builderall. So it's a basic layout that you will get here. So you can go back to home anytime. It's like a common page that we have added here for the privacy policy. It's a different page that's available on the menu. So we need to add this blog in the menu of this header as well, right? So let's go and add this one. So let's go to home. I will come back again and we'll play with the style of the blog. Let's go to menu. Alright, sorry. Let's click on this. Let's right click. Let's configure this one and click here, edit. So as and when you install the blog on your website, a blog page will be visible here. So let's go and drag here and confirm. So the blog will be appearing here. So let's make it everything to be in a, what do you say, to be in a capital letters. So, but unfortunately I'm not getting this capital letters for this one. Let's move back, see if we can do anything. No. Alright, I'll check it and let you know, because I'm just trying to have this everything in a everything in a capital letters, but for this the blog it's not coming. I'll let you know after, but now let's save it. Save, and let's preview the blog. So as you click on this, it should redirect to your blog, the newly installed blog. Now we'll get into deep about the blog features. Now let's go and return edit. So These are the containers that you have on your blog. This is the left container and the right container. Inside the containers you have different menu options, and you can have the Facebook page widget as well. So let's go and click on this container on the left, and let's go and configure this container to see what options are available. So you have you can configure what amount of news you can show on this blog page. Let me move this here. It's not moving. So what kind of content you want, and what are the buttons you want to show, whether you want to show the author name, whether you want to show the time, and what should be the read more button name. So you can select the button icons for the read button, and you can click whatever you want to have it on your blog. So let's go and click on this, right click, and we can select the theme of this blog as well. Let's check what happens here. You can change the appearance, like if you want the news to be in a single layout, or if you want to change like this. I'm going to show you. Like if you wanted to have two columns, if you want the news to be in the multiple rows, you can click this layout. If you want to, jumble layout, you can click whatever you want. So there are different layouts for this. You can also click see here. Now let's check what is this feed background. So we have everything to be on the white color. You can go and click orange, so it appears like this. Let's go back to white color. I don't want to use the flashy colors on my website. And you can select the border for this. I want to have a solid or dash border for the blog with the outline. You can have this as a round corners, or like the soft corners on the image buttons, the image layouts, whatever. Let's check what are the features. You can go and click on the enable shadow, like the shadow will appear here as you see. And if you want the internal shadow, the shadow whatever appeared outside will be appearing inside. So I don't want to make it too flashy or whatever it may be. I don't like. I want my blog to be appearing in a simple manner. So you can go and play with this in whatever the fashion you want, and there are also widgets here on the blog configuration. So if you go and check on the actions menu, you can just look at here. It's gonna have some changes as and when I'm dragging this button left to right. So it completely depends upon your personalization, how you want this blog should appear, and you got the pagination and how you want the pagination. Pagination is something like when you have too many blogs on your you have too many posts on your blog, how you want to appear the 1, 2, 3 page that like the numbers appears, right? People want to flip around the pages and go back and check your old content. That's what web pagination is all about. Since I have a very few default number of blog posts, let's go back to the menu and click on this container, and let's right click and configure, and we can change how much amount of news you want to be appearing on this blog as of now. Like I'll put it maximum, because I don't want people to go over the pagination. I want to display. I want to allow them to go down as much as possible and find whatever the content they want. I don't want to. I hate too many clicks on my blog, and that's why I'm not allowing to put the pagination on my blog. Let's go and click on this the news that we have. We can go and click on this and let's configure, and let's see if we can edit this news. For editing this news, I want to remove all the distractions that we have on our page. First, let me remove this email sign up, and I want to delete this whole container. If you select the container, it usually highlights the green color. That means this container is selected. Let's delete this container. Boom, done. Let's move this blog post, our blog container, on the top, and this whole container is divided into many parts. Let's take the main container and move it a little bit high. If you wish to have the news search on your blog, you can have this. I don't like the news search feature because it's a useless. I don't see many people searching on this. I'll think about it if based upon the heat map that we are going to install, we'll have some data. So this is your Builderall affiliate link, and you can put your affiliate link, configure it, this button. Like if you go click on the action, you can teach what it has to happen when someone clicks on this. Now this is not our goal. Let's we'll put the different kind of categories in the later section. Let's edit the blog post now. So let's save this first. Click on save. Now go and click on this blog button again. It's going to ask you to manage. Let's click on the blog manager so that you can update the posts. So in this section you got different menus. So let's go and check what are these menus about. You got publishing news. So here we are, and if you have any drafts, like you are still editing and it's not completed, you can click on this, and if you have schedule and you want to post this news at some point in the time, like in the evening or morning, it's completely depends upon you. And you have got the categories. You can further categorize your all blog posts, and you can also assign the tags to each and every blog. Suppose my blog, like if I put the blog related to affiliate marketing or chatbot marketing or email marketing, whenever I write a blog related to particular subject, I'm going to put a tag so that at one place I can get all those stuff. So this is all about. Now let's go and check what are the published articles. So let's go and edit. I'm going to edit here. Let's go and edit. Now once you edit, you'll have the different options where you can put the titles. Like let me put affiliate marketing. So what happens is it's gonna title of your news or your news URL will be generated automatically. That means Umesh Imarchetti /blog /affiliate marketing. A URL will be automatically generated based upon the subject that you put for that post. If you want to have different authors, you can have here. I want to have author. It's an example author. Let's check if we can update this author. Alright, my name is Umesh Imarchetti. If you don't have, no problem, it's gonna recommend you to add. I've added here, and boom, my name comes there. So it's today is, what's today? It's 5th December. Here you can register the date. What is it showing? Date of publication of your news in case it's scheduling. Alright. So I want to okay, here you can have multiple categories where this article should show. Now let's delete everything, and I'm going to show it on, I want to put it on affiliate marketing, and let's add this one. If you want to add some more, this article should be published on more categories. You can add some more categories like click bank marketing, something. So boom, I added this. If you want to add multiple, you can add multiple tags as like this. So let's add something called affiliate. So affiliate marketing, I want to put the same name as per the category. Now let's go and edit the content inside this. So you can add an image, you can put a video, you can put a GIF. GIF something looks like this. Oh my! So I'll show you the source. Looks like some GIF collections is there here. All right, that's great. So you got. I'm going to show you sources where you can download or integrate the Creative Commons GIFs. So let's check if there are any funny GIFs. Now, okay, leave it here. Anyhow, I'm going to show you a different source for this kind of images. Now, you got lines. If you want, you can put a. Here you can schedule for this news to be published at a desired date and time. From here you can schedule that post when it should go and publish. Here you can select a page for this news. Now, so let's go and edit this news. Add something lorem ipsum. It's a generic thing in the when you create a website or blog. It's a lorem ipsum. It's kind of a anyhow, it's a different thing. So let's go and copy a blog. If I have anything, yeah, I got some articles that I want to publish. And now let's go into paste affiliate marketing basics. I have this thing ready, articles I want to publish on my web blog. So let's go to my blog back. I want to remove all this stuff. I want to add. Now, I just want to show you, like, I want to tell you one thing. Most of the people don't like reading big paragraphs. No, because no matter how educated the person might be, he always go and scan his mind. Like, human mind will always be checking for the content, like for the words, for the sentences that you want to see. So that's why you always scan for that kind of wordings or that kind of sentence that grabs your attention. So as you're building, as the process of building an awesome blog, I don't want you to put like these big paragraphs. So all you can do is make sure that you have your paragraphs in 2 or 3 lines, so that it is easy to read for them and to grab the information or the content very easily. And I would recommend you to insert some funny GIFs or funny images, so that it will be very easy and interesting for the person who visited your blog. Interesting. So I'm going to show you a different source. Let's check where we can find the GIF images. It's called Jiffy. Jiffy is a place where you can find funny GIF images. It's like a Google for Jiffy kind of stuff. So this is where if you are writing a blog related to dog, let's go and check if there are any dog GIFs available here. Yeah, this is funny doggy, right? Yeah, I want to integrate this Jiffy on my blog. So you can embed this blog or you can copy this link. Let's try. I never tried on Builderall. Let's check if this, okay, this is Giphy. Let's check. I never tried this on my blog. Let's put this stuff here and we are going to save here. So let's check publish news. You can select the sharing images. No, I don't want to share them. Now check. I want my content. I want to see my content, right? So let's save this. Save it here. Let's go to the blog finally. Let's go and preview. Let's click on read more. Oh my god. This stuff is coming in a URL format. I don't want to be appearing like this. Now we'll go back. Alright, so the other way I found out how we can install Jiffy is, let's go to Jiffy image. So you have different options here. You can click on embed button. HTML code will be appearing. So what we're going to do is, let's go back to our editor tab on this. I edit this. I just want to show you how. So click on the source button here. You can just paste wherever you want this iframe button. So here I just pasted just before now, like a couple of minutes back, and just whatever I copied here, I just pasted here. I want it to be appeared just below the there are products ranging from this sentence. So I just publish news. I got this funny dog on my that's funny, right? So let's save it. So Jiffy is one of the places where you can find all kind of this funny Jiffy images. They have a whole lot of categories. There are too many Jiffy images. It's like a Google of Jiffys. So one more thing we need to understand is we need to have a header image for this blog post, right? So we have a generic image. So the other source where you can not copy other people's ideas, other people's photography, but you can still use it is Pexels. Pexels is one beautiful place where you can get free stock images. So as I'm writing an affiliate, or affiliate marketing or marketing, let's click on this. You got this kind of stuff. You can just use this kind of images. Alright, I'll just download this one. These are free downloads, most of them. So I'm gonna go, or let's just save here. Let's go back to our HTML editor, and we're gonna again go and click on the manage. Sorry, this one, manage blog. So let's go and click on this button to edit. So instead of this, click highlight. If you click on it, it will be highlighted in blue color. Just delete it. That's it. So let's add our image. So let's go and upload the latest uploaded Builderall challenge blog marketing strategy photo that we have just downloaded from Pixels. Let's click on this and click on confirm here. So this image has came. So let's check if we can manage to make it big. I know. Wait. What you got to do is click on this, click on right click, and you got the image properties. You can just drag the image like drag this button to right to make the image a little bit bigger. So change the size. Now you will have the headline image or something, whatever you call the header image, and you can install the Jiffy images. If you want to install a line, yes, we can create a line again. I guess, yeah, we got a line, and let's check if we can edit the line as well. No, we can't move the line. It's the stable. Like if you want to differentiate the content based upon the line, you can just use that. So you can schedule it. You can favorite this with a greater prominence. So publish news. That's it. So you can use the draft. Nothing is on the draft. We didn't put any on the schedule. Let's check if the categories are available. The affiliate marketing and the clickback marketing are available, and the tags that we have added is the click affiliate marketing is available. Now I just want to show you another thing. Let's click on the manager. The post that you have here, right? This is a sharing image. Like if you want to share this post on your Facebook account or anywhere on the YouTube or the internet, as and when you post the link, you will have some highlighted content that shows a glimpse of this content to the user. At the same time, it will show you photo image as well. So if you want to have that, I'll just show you one thing. Let me show. Here I'm on my Facebook account. I'm just going to copy this Pixels website and let's paste on my yeah. So what happens is this is a sharing image that you actually have. This image is not available on the Pixels website, so it's a kind of sharing image that they specifically put when some person share this image over the internet, that this should appear. So likewise, you can also configure the image that you, when someone or you try to share this image on the internet. So you want to highlight what the image is specifically you should show on the link. So this is how it works. So I think this is a big lecture as of now, and I want you to go and configure your blog settings on your web page, and I'll try to find the solution for the up caps letter for the blog. I'll let you know tomorrow, and that's it today. I want your blog to get ready. If you have any doubts, let me know on the Facebook group. I'll reply you as soon as I see your message. And we'll see you tomorrow, and we're gonna work a little bit more on this blog because it's completely looks messy here, like you see here, right? So it's completely messy everywhere. So tomorrow we're gonna configure a lot, and you know, we need to highlight this, configure the categories, Facebook page, everything. So see you tomorrow, guys. I want you to actively participate in the discussion in the Facebook group as well. See you, bye.